Looks like Ishla is doing a press conference with all the media now. Shura. So, and so, Shuyi is able to Taso, and the BGP and the Sanjay Hatiakman Bui, give the Suja, Shebo Mushuji, Budishunasha. And the first is something. While Lufthansa is doing a press conference, we are, all the co-marchers are resting on the backyard, and just enjoying the sun. We have only 93 kilometers left to reach Delhi, and we're planning on getting there on the 9th. So we still have a few more days. So, Japan is tradition something of Shisha. We shall not settle down in the position. So this is the end of our morning program. We will be continuing on with our march after a 10 or 15-minute break. And we'll do another live feed at 4 p.m.